Making money on the internet has never been this simple. And the strategy that I'm going to give you guys to go out and hopefully make your first $100 in a week on the internet is using nature. Obviously, there needs to be a product on the back end for the exchange of money. You're going to learn all about the actual product, but I promise you it's the least important with what I'm about to tell you, because the product's good, it's 10 years proven, it's paid out a lot of money, the product works, and it's digital. Where people fail, they're always thinking, hey, I need a magical top selling product. Where people fail is the marketing. This is where people fail all day long. They don't know how to get eyes to the offer in a fair amount of time. So I'm going to break this down to you very quick. I don't need a lot of time. You need to implement this like today, not tomorrow, today. So what we're going to be using is faceless videos. You are not going to have to show your face. The video of choice is going to be nature videos. Any B-roll. So filming your dog playing, filming a squirrel playing, rain dropping on the window, something aesthetic to get the scroll to stop. People love nature, they love aesthetic nature. The reason why most people fail when they try to do B-roll because they use corporate videos. Someone typing, someone folding clothes. Those are cool, but they already put an X, or they signal a red flag. This is too salesy, this is too corporate. This structure of nature video, and I mean, this can go from nature to cars to a whole bunch of stuff if you get the idea. This is going to stop the scroll. Once we stop the scroll, what I'm not going to be able to list in the video is going to be my guide, my document, which is the words. The words you put on the video are very king. This is where the skill comes from. The ad copy is what we call it in marketing. The skill is what you put on the video. That is very important. That's what you're going to spend your most time learning. But what's cool is the document that you're going to get, it already comes pre-built with real ideas. It comes pre-built with the hook, the whole reel, the whole concept, and I'm going to be updating it to make it more simple. But what you're going to pretty much do is take this document. You're going to get off to the races uploading. Like, you can upload your first reel today and potentially make a sale. And then what's going to happen is you're going to keep reading this document every day, keep learning from this document every day, and eventually it's going to be second nature. Eventually you're going to be able to just not even look at the document. You're going to be able to film something and put the text on it and upload it, write a caption, all on your own. That's when you graduate in this marketing game, when you can start seeing and understanding how people work and what gets people to stop, purchase. The fact that we're able to do this faceless, the fact that I'm making YouTube videos from my phone on my Samsung S26, there is no excuse, guys. The biggest resistance is going to be you understanding that this is not an overnight thing. This is not overnight. This is not a get rich quick thing. This is affiliate marketing, selling a done for you product, already made and proven, done for you software to the people who need it. I'm going to give you the audience. I'm going to give you the reels. I'm going to show you marketing. I'm going to give you weekly updates on things that I'm learning in real time and how I'm implementing it. And you can do this faceless. So below in the description, if you're seeing this video on YouTube, is going to be my specialized website. You're going to go there. You're going to get a quick read. You're going to take a 2-minute quiz, probably less than that. It's probably like 60-second quiz, couple buttons to figure out where you stand currently. And then you're going to see a video that's going to break down some bonuses. It's going to break down some deals, and make sure you spend your most time on that page before you grab the product. And then you're going to get some emails from me showing you how to set this all up in 2 hours or less. And thank you for watching this video, guys.